Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Bitpanda. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bitpanda.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Bitpanda website, from which you can click on the login button to end up within the login portal. Once you are inside the portal, click on forgot your password in order to reset your credentials. Once you click on this, you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email address that you used while signing up and click on request password reset. You will now be asked to check your inbox to find the password reset link. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from Bitpanda. Within this email, you will find the reset password button, which you can click on, and you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and click on the reset password button, and now your password will successfully be reset. You can now use your new password along with your original email address to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Bitpanda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.